in the States, the United States of America, and you're driving a Ferrari, everyone will congratulate you. Nice, man. What do you do for a living? How can I do that? If you're in the UK driving a Ferrari, they'll just call you a wanker.
Is it probably European thing?
Yeah, the spirit behind it. The spirit behind, but also, and then as a result of that, successful people don't then want to be over the top with their successes. Oh my gosh, I just got a pay rise. Oh my gosh. Like, oh no, because then how's that going to make everybody else feel? Yeah. Well, forget that. Because they should feel inspired. And if they're not inspired, if they're jealous, then you want to detract them out of your life anyway. Yeah. So make them jealous. Control. What I do is I tell people big energy equals big bank. Because everyone wants a big bank.
Yeah.
Everyone wants a big bank. And it's so true. And when people link, actually, me having a certain type of energy is going to lead to me having better results. Health results, me being more successful, me having more friends. Even friends, if you go to a party and you're Mr. No Energy, standing around like a friggin' loser, guess what? You're not gonna have any friends. No one's gonna want to spend time with you because you're not gonna make people feel good. You go to a party, you got a good energy, and you love people.
Yeah, you just attract.
You attract people. And you attract what you become. So I think rather than sort of telling people, energy is important and everything is energy as a theoretical thing for people just to be like, okay, that's weird. It's more like, hey, what do you want in your life? Oh, you want more money? Oh, okay, you want to be more influential. You want to get promotions at work. You want to get fit body, you want to get a fit girlfriend, whatever it might be that you want to get. Okay, you've got to attract that, and to attract it, you've got to become it, and to become it, you've got to have a lot of energy, you've got to have the right kind of energy. Because honestly, sometimes people, I will not want to spend time with people, they haven't said a word, they'll walk into the room, just energy, straight away I'm just like, ugh. I'm just allergic to the energy of that person.
I know,
and
I feel the same,
I'm done, man, I've checked out.
Yeah.
They must say, that's so harsh, give them a chance. No. They did that to themselves by having such a repulsive energy.
So how do you clean yourself from bad energy to good energy?
Get around the right people. Yeah. Get around the right people. Put yourself in the right environment. Environment is stronger than willpower. Yeah. Don't beat yourself up. I need more energy. Just put yourself around people that are positive, that want the best for you. Have good energy, because there's also an energy in being a caring person. So you know when someone doesn't want the best for you but they don't say it, oh, I just got promoted, oh good. That's not the response. The response is amazing, good for you. So people can say the right words but they don't mean it. They don't back it up with their energy. You want to be around people that actually have an energy that loves and supports you. And then also energy is something to be passed on. Energy is not so, when people say to me, I'm just saving my energy, it's the most stupid, ridiculous thing. Because do you know why it's so ridiculous? Because, as you said, what for? Yeah, okay. What are you saving it for? What's this big thing?
Coming?
You getting married tomorrow or something? Like, what's happening? But here's the thing, right? Before an athlete goes for a run, if they go, I'm going to save my energy until my run day, then you're gonna suck at run day. You need to start running and getting your. And in the same way, people that say, I'm going to save my energy. No. You need to start practicing now. Because when you become active, what happens is you then have more energy. It's like when you go to the gym. I don't want to go to the gym because I'm just going to get really tired. No, you're going to go to the gym, then you're going to have energy for the rest of the day. Because that's how this thing works.
I think we need to be self-responsible as well for the levels of energy that we bring to each room that we enter. Meaning, most people just like, oh, I'm actually waiting for you to have more energy. Even in relationships, a husband and a wife is like, oh, if you don't have too much energy, I'm just relying on you to have the energy for me. And sometimes I think we need to do a self-assessment and see, oh, where's my energy? Oh, no, let's push this up. And then suddenly you make a decision, like you said before. Make a decision that your energy is high. And it will be high. And then at the end of the day, you just inspire more people to actually become and have a better day.
What would you rather have? Would you rather have a fiery, aggressive energy or an apathetic, lazy energy?
I'm the first one, all the way, all day in.
Because sometimes
I just don't relate to the apathic one.
People might say, oh, you've got a bad energy. They might try and flip the cards on you. you're making me feel bad. No, my energy is not a bad energy. My energy is actually a fiery energy that's making you have to do something different and making you uncomfortable. It's not a bad energy.
Yeah.
A bad energy is something that makes people fall into apathy, whereas a good energy is something that springs people into action.
Yeah.
But also in love, I used to sometimes ruin the energy in the office by accident.
Why?
Did I not? I felt that I did. Like, let's say you're having a meeting or something's going on, I'd come in, not in a bad way, but you also need to be sensitive because its energy is powerful. So if I come in the morning, I'm like, yo, what's up? You know, how you guys doing? What's going on? But you're actually having a sensitive moment. You're having a quiet moment.
Yeah.
Then I'll ruin the energy by mistake.
Yeah.
So I think you've also got to be sensitive
about everyone's energy.
About different energies, about different emotions, about what's going on. I used to come into the office, I'd walk in at 9:15 and be like, yo, what's up, man? How you guys doing? Hey, yo, you're awesome. And actually, that's disrespectful because people have just had a quiet moment. You've just had your morning meeting, and then you've said right, and you're talking. You've had a sentimental thing, and I come in and people are in a different, and I just break into the thing. So you've got to be sensitive, and ultimately everything you do, whether if you're being aggressive or I say aggressive, more like passionate, or you're calling people like you're being direct, everything needs to be done in love. Everything needs to be done in wanting people to succeed, in wanting people to be better. That's the key.